कर चिड़िया मस्जिद में पानी पीती है, यहाँ बुद्ध की उपदेश और ईसा मसीह की बलिदान की गाथा होती है। मैंने सुना है यहाँ राधा रानी की चुनरी कोई सलमा बेगम सीती है, फिर क्यों हो गए हम यूं जुदा कि आज जोड़ने की बात होती है। यहाँ आसाम की चाय हो या दक्षिण के मसाले विदेशियों को आकर्षित करती है, तो हिमालय में स्थित वैष्णो देवी में चढ़ाए नारियल की पूर्ति केरल और तमिल जैसे राज्य से होती है। फिर क्यों हो गए हम यूं जुदा जुदा कि आज जोड़ने की बात होती है, जोड़ने की बात होती है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आदरणीय मंत्री जी और मेरे युवा साथियों, मैं ममता कुमारी बिहार से इस युवा सांसद में अपने वक्तव्य को प्रस्तुत करने आई हूँ और मेरा विषय है कनेक्टिंग इंडिया ज्योग्राफिकली, इकोनॉमिकली एंड कल्चरली। If we see geographically, I must say that India is in fact a gift to we all Indians with a variety of landscape, from the mountains and plateaus to islands and coasts, from the perennial rivers in the north to consistent rain in the northeast. But somewhere we are still facing the problems of floods, droughts, poverty and hunger. This is where we need geographical connect to the region which is high in production, to the region where people die of hunger, to the state which can promote tourism, to the state which can offer investment. Economically, where India has always been a land of resources, where the north use it as a farming sector, to the south is growing as an economic hub. Where we have humans as a big economic resource. These human minds must get connected across the India to avail the resources, to avail the opportunities which is still untouched. Culturally, where India enjoys an amazing variety of language, religion, belief and faith system, there we also see that people fight to prove their culture above all. But ladies and gentlemen, in praise of diversity, let's not forget our similarity and remind the preamble, we the people of India. Along with connecting India geographically, economically and culturally, I must say that psychological connection must also be encouraged. Not only at the times of disasters and attacks, but also when India is at peace to use the full potential of the resources. I am proud that our Prime Minister has launched lots of schemes which focuses on inclusive growth by connecting India, be it Sagarmala, Bharatmala, GST or Digital India. His Man Ki Baat initiative, which was the foundation of this program, or Pariksha Pe Charcha initiative, which connect the students' minds to release the pressure before exam, was a phenomenal step. But since I'm here to provide solutions, I would add that more interstate programs and national programs must be encouraged, not only on debates, but on learning and respecting each other, dance, music, culture and sports. We use technology to call Band and Hartal. No, it's time we use technology to connect India. We need leaders at the village and community level as well, who work tirelessly to connect India by the guidance of the state and national counterparts. Because today when all this gets over, there will be a choice of dinner that you and I can make. But still there are some peoples in our Indians who do not have the choice to eat tonight. It's high time that we connect and stand united till the time we feel geographically loved, economically interdependent and culturally trusted. I repeat, till the time we feel geographically loved, economically interdependent and culturally trusted. Thank you.